Hi students, we will have the revision on topic homophones. It's from your main course book on page number 48. Homophones. Words that sound the same but have different meanings and spellings. Words that sound the same but have different meanings and spellings. उच्चारण में समान परंतु अर्थ में भिन्न शब्द. It is called homophone. For example, please look at this picture. Ant, A-U-N-D, ant. Another one, A-N-T, ant. Next one, maze, M-A-I-Z-E, maze. Another one, M-A-Z-E, maze. Next, S-E-A-C. Another, S-E-E-C. Next one, F-A-I-R, fair. Another, F-A-R-E, fair. This one, W-O-N-1. Another one, O-N-E-1. Students, what did you understand from this? Yes, we could understand that all these verses are having same sound or pronunciation but have different spellings and different meanings. Students, we can go through some more examples. I, I. Another one, I. May. Dear, D-E-A-R, dear. Another one, D-E-E-R, dear. That means it's an animal. D-E-A-R, deer means loved by. Then next, F-O-R, for. Another, F-O-U-R, for. Next, S-A-L-E, say, means action of selling. Another, S-A-I-L, sail, travel on water in a ship. S-A-I-L, sail. Next, W-A-I-T, wait. That means to stay in a particular place. Another, W-E-I-G-H-T, wait means heavy. Next, cell, C-E-L-L, cell. That means small room. Another, S-E-L-L, cell, to give something to somebody. Next, weak. W-E-E-K, weak. Another, W-E-A-K, weak, tiredness. Next, O-N-E-1. Another, W-O-N-1. Next, T-A-I-L, tail. Another one, T-A-L-E, tail. Next, peace, P-E-A-C-E, peace means the state of being calm. Another, peace, P-I-E-C-E, means one of the parts. Next, T-H-E-I-R, there. Another one, T-H-E-R-E, there. Next, R-I-G-H-T, right. Another one, W-R-I-T-E, right. Next, C, C-S-E-E-C. Another one, S-E-A-C. Next, H-E-A-R, here. Another one, H-E-R-E, here. Same sound but have different meanings and spellings. H-O-L-E, hole. Hole means an opening. Then another one, W-H-O-L-E, whole. Whole means complete, full. Next, H-I-M, him. Another one, H-Y-M, him. Same pronunciation but have different meanings. Next, B-U-Y, buy. That means to get something by paying money. That is buy. Another one, B-Y, buy, means very near. Next one, great. G-R-A-T-E, great. G-R-A-T-E, great means annoy or irritate. Another one, G-R-E-A-T. G-R-E-A-T, great means large in amount or degree. Next, feet. F-E-A-T, feet. Another, F-E-E-T, feet. Next, break. B-R-A-K-E, break. Another one, B-R-E-A-K, break. Next, pain. P-A-I-N, pain. Another one, P-A-N-E, pain. Next one, ate. Past form of eat. A-T-E, ate. Another one, ate. E-I-G-S-T, ate. See, it is from your textbook. See, wood. Another one, wood. W-O-U-L-D, wood. W-O-O-D, wood means substance made by tree. W-O-U-L-D, wood means it's a polite word for asking something. Next one, need. K-N-E-A-D, need means mixture of flour. Next, N-E-E-D, need means want. Okay, need means to have to. Another, H-O-L-E, whole. Another, W-H-O-L-E, whole. Next, eight. E-I-G-H-T, eight. A-T-E, eight. Same pronunciation but have different spellings and meanings. Next one, O-N-E, one. W-O-N, one. Next one, K-N-O-T, knot means string. Next one, another one, N-O-T, knot. N-O-T, knot means negative form. See, dear students, I hope you have understood what is homophone. That means words that sound the same but have different spellings and different meanings. Okay students, thank you. Have a nice day.